Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of arithmetic sequence. Now we have to find the general term and the recursive formula for this arithmetic sequence. Now we are given that it's an arithmetic sequence, so we can just start by writing the general term formula for this sequence. Now as we know, the general term formula for arithmetic sequence is Tn equals A plus parentheses n minus 1 parentheses close times d. So here T of n represents the nth term in the arithmetic sequence, A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d represents the common difference. So the first step here is to list the values of A and d for this given arithmetic sequence. Now A represents the first term, so in our sequence the first term is negative 11, so the value of A is negative 11. Now D represents the common difference. For the common difference, we have to do the subtraction for the second term and the first term. So it's always the second term minus the first term. So in this case, it will be negative 121 minus negative 11. And now we can do the calculation, negative 110. Now we can also do this calculation by using the third term and the second term. We'll get the same answer. So I can show it to you. So if we use the third term and the second term, then our step will be negative 231 minus negative 121. Negative 110. So these are the A and the D values we should use in our general term formula for arithmetic sequence. So this is the general term formula. Now since we have to find the general term formula, so n stays. So T of n is equal to negative 11 plus n minus 1 times negative 110. Now we have to simplify this general term equation. So we can do that by distributing this negative 110 into the parentheses. So we get negative 11, then minus 110n plus 110. We can combine like terms. So negative 11 and 110 are like terms. So we can combine them. So we can start by writing the n term first, which is negative 110n. And then we get plus. So we do negative 11 plus 110, which is equal to 99. So this should be the final answer for the general term of this arithmetic sequence. Now we can work on the recursive formula for this arithmetic sequence. Now the recursive formula for an arithmetic sequence is T of n is equal to T of n minus 1 plus t. Now we have to keep in mind, recursive formula is a formula that describes a term in terms of its previous term. So here the nth term in the sequence is being described by its n minus 1 term or its previous term. So this is a very important distinction you have to keep in mind for the general term and the recursive formula. Now for the recursive formula, we just have to sub in the value of d we calculated earlier. So T of n stays the same because we have to find the formula in terms of n, and T of n minus 1, and then d is negative 110, so it becomes minus 110. So these are the steps we have to keep in mind to write the recursive formula for this arithmetic sequence. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.